I'm going to go over Amkor, ticker symbol AMKR for Trader Kuhn. We ended the day at $86.55, up 1.30%. This is where we ended. To the north side takes us to resistance and a potential take profit area at roughly $88.52. Above that, in red, is VWAP at 91.49. The middle of the trend is now 93.71. That's another level of resistance and another potential take profit area. This is also an area where we could continue to either go up or go sideways. Above that, at 2 standard deviations, takes us to roughly 98.59, 101.22, and down the road, we're looking at 103.76. To the south side, that will take us to -3 standard deviations at roughly 86.02, and below that at -4 standard deviations and another potential buy-in area, as well as a potential stop loss area, $83.39. This gap closes to the downside at 85.48. It starts at 86.15. Looking left, you can see this was your clear buy signal. This is support on the way up. The middle of the trend line becomes resistance. We hit resistance again up here. Your clear sell signal. It fell back to support. We went up, went sideways, and then another leg up. This is a clear sell signal, and then we are down here at support. The RSI is also going down. Now we have a gap that will take us all the way down to $47.36. I don't know if we'll get there, but that would be a long ways off. We are not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. Now on the daily, let's check this out. Move that out of the way. We are at 3 standard deviations, and the next standard deviation up would take us to roughly $91.54. The RSI is still going up, although I think it's going to start rolling over. Watch out for that. Could we roll over for another leg up? Yes. Now looking at the 1-year price target on the daily here, I've marked it out at $90, which represents an only 3.99% return from where we are. Not a whole lot of skin in the game left, but still 4% beats putting your money in a bank account, a regular bank account, all day long. This is that $47.36 gap to the south side that I talked about, and apparently I marked out a gap on Tuesday, December 9th, 2025. That took us down to right here, or the 12th. I have to roll this over to a different time frame because I mark this on the 5 and then it looks wonky. What else here? Apparently I noted the price on February 20th of 2026 and it was $47.94. If only we had a crystal ball to go back in time and buy with confidence. All right, and for the news side of this, it says the company struck a 10-year deal with Taiwan Semiconductor, which I also own, for packaging and test services planning in Arizona Advanced Packaging Test Campus for defense and regulated customers. Shares rose 6.7% to $91.19, but the high of the day, $96.68, as well as the 52-week high. So congrats if you've made some money off of this ticker. Let's take a look at the RSI on the monthly. But note we hit a very critical area. This is resistance, and we're going to probably hit it again and then roll over and then maybe make another leg up down the road. On the weekly, RSI has touched this critical area of 70, so we are going to at some point reverse. Now look at this on the monthly, completely hyperextended over here. Have we ever gone higher than this at 85. Let's look left. Oh, we did right here at 88.53 back in January 2000. Looks like. Yeah, anytime we hit past this line, you can think of this as resistance and then down here as support, and we are frothy. So be careful. All right, that is a look at Amkor. I also did a video for Kuhn on Nokia, so check that out. If there is a ticker you want me to go over, let me know. Have a great trading day.